Namaste, this is Sunili welcoming you all to Planet to Soul Astrology. What if Jupiter is becoming your Atma Karaka planet? In the series of Atma Karaka planet, Jupiter is one of the biggest and heaviest planet with lot of spiritual energy, lot of fortune energy, lot of negative and positive aspect or lot of positive and negative traits in it. And when it becomes Atma Karaka planet, you feel that I am Jupiter. You feel that I have capacity of fulfilling certain things at a single time. I'm a big task person. Like anything in big in front of me, I can handle those situations. If Surya is also better in your chart, because that confidence level Sun will give you. But when Jupiter is becoming your Atma Karaka planet, and if it is touching your first house, fifth house, or ninth house, specifically if your first house aspecting or in your first house, then definitely it is making you more ambitious and demanding person, over possessive person, ambitious person, at the same time restless person too. This Jupiter may give you a tendency of being late in everything, like you are a comfort lover person. Atma Karaka Jupiter wherever posited in your chart, that house becomes more lazy house. Otherwise also wherever your Jupiter is going, that house is becoming little lazy house for you. And then your Jupiter being retrograde or being in direct motion, if at all, is your Atma Karaka planet, you just have to consider how is Surya position, Sun position in your chart, and how this Sun is connected to your Jupiter. Atma Karaka Jupiter always means that this Jupiter will bring you lot many fortunes and opportunities in your life once you are fulfilling your karma cycle. If this Jupiter is connected to 6, 8, 12, then definitely you have to find some struggles and hurdles on your way. If this Jupiter is with Ketu or Rahu, then definitely again obstacles and hurdles on your way. Progeny is the major factor of Jupiter. Education, higher education also, any type of good deeds in terms of new ventures, Jupiter Guru Krupa is necessary. Your upasana, your sadhana, your spiritual task, everything depends on your Jupiter position. At the same time, your health status also depends on Jupiter. If Jupiter is not good in a chart, definitely it is going to affect your stomach, specifically liver system, your bile system. Definitely it is going to affect. Jupiter is that is why I said that it has positive and negative both traits, right? Jupiter is expansion, Jupiter is multiplication of the things. That is why you just have to see how is Jupiter position in all Varga chart. This is the only planet for which we have to consider. If you want to know the Guru Krupa of your chart, how is Guru Krupa for me, or how is Jupiter bliss in my chart, then definitely you have to see that how is strength of Jupiter in my Shadavarga Kundali. At least Shadavarga Kundali you have to see the Jupiter position. Sometimes maybe Jupiter is functional malefic planet for you, or Jupiter is not that much favorable planet for you. Say for example you are Taurus ascendant or you are Aquarius ascendant, then definitely, or you are Virgo ascendant also, where Kendra dosh also comes for this Jupiter. So definitely you have to see that even though this is not functional benefic planet for me, or this is no average planet as per my ascendant, how is this Jupiter position in my Varga charts as well as in my D1 chart also. If Jupiter is going in own sign or in Mula Trikona Rashi, or is going in 5th house of chart, and in Varga chart also, if this Jupiter is going in a good houses and good sign, then definitely your Atma Karaka Jupiter is going to give you better and better fruits. It will definitely rise you systematically in your life, no matter if it is posited with malefic or no. Even though if it is posited with malefic planets, still this Jupiter will rise you up in life. Second thing, this Atmakaraka Jupiter will give you sudden uh, rise or sudden uh, fall also in your life. Whenever it's dasha antardasha or transit Jupiter is if coming in connection to your natal Atmakarak Jupiter, then definitely you will experience certain type of situation in your life that all of a sudden opportunities are falling in front of you, or all of a sudden expenditures are falling in front of you. If your Jupiter being Atmakaraka is connected to your second house of chart, then definitely expenditure for family, expenditure for education, expenditure for pilgrimages, for yourself, for your family is bound to happen. If it is 12th house connection, then definitely going out of country, going out of state is falling for you. You have to dig down all the planetary position of your chart. It is not that what I am saying that is enough. I am just superficially trying to explain the things. There are millions, trillions of things beneath these statements or beneath these talks, whatever I'm making with you every day. So that way, this is the way you have to start researching these things. You just have to take dictas from our shastras, from our holy books. You just have to understand those dictas, you have to apply those, and then you can make your own research and make your own things out of it after applying to many charts. And then you have to be confident that yes, this way this planet is giving fruits. So Jupiter is your Atmakaraka planet. You are a blessed soul. You have already enjoyed Jupiter characteristic in your last life. That is why this life you will always find your friend circle also who are having heavy Jupiter or who are more possessed with this Jupiterian quality, right? So next time I will come with Venus as your Atmakaraka planet. By that time, stay tuned with Planet to Soul Astrology. Do not forget to subscribe and share my channel. And yes, follow my page Sunili Jani Pawar Jyotish Prabodhini on Facebook. Please follow me on Instagram also. If you are seeking any type of consultations, please visit my website planet2soul.com. And as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho. May all be blessed. Namaste.